Bafowethu yenzekile ke laphayana i-draw bafowethu. Yenzekile i-draw laphana. Kuthiwa yini launch bafowethu, it's no longer a draw because i-draw we already have it yabo. But we had bafowethu i-launch ke laphana ye-Betway Premiership for unyaka ka-2026-2027. Engicabanga ukuthi bafowethu ihambe ngendlela ke bekumele ukuthi ihambe ngayo. Lana esibone khona bafowethu ngisho uStan Matthews laphana esho ukuthi for us as the Premier Soccer League, looking back at the last 30 years, we are very proud of what the Premier League has become. And bafowethu ke iqiniso ke leli bafowethu, i-PSL ikhule kakhulu. I started following i-PSL around boma early 2000. I was still nami ke ngumshana ke kakhulu ke lapho ke bafowethu kuma early 2000. Bayazi ke bafowethu abanye ezizalwa nabo la kuma mid 90s ukuthi sasebancane, as much as the passion and the dream bafowethu nje because i-passion nanokuphupha nje nathi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sizibone sidlala ko-PSL noma sizibone singama-player, because at that time I think we all were still players yabo, we're still playing besingakawatholi amanye ama-passion ethu outside football. But i-growth bafowethu esiyibonile ku-PSL, hayi bafowethu ngeke, they deserve credit as much as uSafa bafowethu keeps fucking up ezinye izinto, because phela we won't sugarcoat ezinye izinto, but iningi kakhulu i-corruption elaphana kaSafa ngoba sekukhona ama-politician asemaningi nawo ase-involve ebholeni, since kwaziwa ukuthi ibhola nama-numbers. But as a-league, hayi bafowethu sesikhule kakhulu. Even nje okokuqala nje I can state bafowethu imali esitholwa manje for i-Premier League, it's far ahead of imali that was eyayitholwa back then. Even if you counter for inflation, it's still very far ahead. And then base siyakwini bafowethu, even indlela manje ama-players ethu asekwazi ukuthi nawo akwazi ukuzimaintaina ngayo, nanokuba ne-visibility nje kumhlaba wonke bafowethu, we are very far. And sesinama-stadium manje bafowethu akwaziyo to cater for many people. Sekukancane nje uzwe ku-PSL kunexakaxaka zokuthi ama-ground kanjani kanjani, as much as ke ehlezi elungiswa. But I do bafowethu agree with this statement. In the last 30 years, we are very proud of what the Premier League has become. And ke njengamanje bafowethu nathi siyazi ukuthi we are waiting for izinto enjengo-VAR ukuthi zibe khona, izinto enjengo-goal line technology. As much as ke kuyinkinga ukuthi sibe no-goal line technology because sinama-team amancane bafowethu who owns ama-stadium awo, and siyazi ukuthi izinto enjengo-goal line technology zidinga ukuthi usi-own i-stadium sakho, because you can't just put i-technology engaka bafowethu kwi-stadium somunye umuntu. So in that regard asikakakhuli-ke bafowethu ekutheni si-own i-stadium, because ngicabanga ukuthi abantu aba-own i-stadium bancane kakhulu ku-PSL uma ukuthi bakhona bafowethu. Zonke ziyarentisa, i-most nje yazo ka-government. Engibona ukuthi ngampela nathi uma ukuthi i-league yethu sibona ukuthi kufuneka ikhule kakhulu, funeka siqale futhi sifocus ezintweni ezinjengalezo bafowethu, ekutheni ngampela uma sizobheka emumva yini ama-team ase-improve ngakho. Because uma ingaqala mhlawumbe ama-team a-own ama-stadium, nakhona futhi kungakhona ezinye izinto ezehlayo in terms of indlela i-affordability. Because njengamanje we won't lie, kudala wawukwazi ukuthi urane i-team ku-PSL bafowethu ubuyirana sengazuthi i-team edlala elokishini. Njengoba sasimbona noJomo Sono laphana kwiJomo Cosmos, wayedrive ibhasi, enza yonke into, engadingi ukuqasha coach eyisikhulu, eyi-CEO, eyi-scouts. But njengamanje ibhola selidinga more organized organizations ukuthi akwazi ukuthi a-excel, which is why we see iMamelodi Sundowns dominating our league ngalendlela. It's because bona they are organized as a team and baranwa njengekhampani. Esekuyinto ke bafowethu esidimandeka njengamanje uma ukuthi you wanna survive ku-PSL, uyadinga ukuthi into yakho uyirun as a company. And uku-own ama-stadium bafowethu will be one mina of ama-wish list ethu. Ukuthi nanoma ubani bafowethu ends up owning i-team nje ku-PSL, kube ukuthi siyaqikelela ngampela ukuthi we end up owning our stadiums, other than ukuthi kurentwe, ngoba iningi le mali ekhishwayo sirenta ama-stadium ebingakwazi ukuthi ibuyisele back ethimini. Siyazi-ke ukuthi bafowethu uku-own i-stadium is not an easy thing and kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi kwenzeke, but with isikhathi, uma ukuthi leyo nto ikhona kwi-plan, with isikhathi bafowethu singakwazi ukuthi ngampela sigcine siyi-reach-ile leyo level. but nje bafowethu ngeke size sicomplain, i-league nje bafowethu ikhule kakhulu under i-PSL era. Yazi ukuthi bekukhona u-NSL before labo nations lapho-ke bekunane-corruption eningi-ke cause izinto ey'ningi bezivele zingaranwa ngale ndlela ey'ranwa ngayo manje. We were not even recognized by FIFA ngaleso sikhathi because of i-apartheid. But nje i-growth bafowethu mina ye-PSL, I am happy for it. I'm happy for it bafowethu. Wena what do you think? Do you think ukuthi i-league yethu bafowethu i-improvile noma mhlampe ihlehlile? Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi basakhala even nangekasi flavour bafowethu, ukuthi nje ikasi flavour kuqale kutholakala amakhadi manje uma ukuthi you are doing kasi flavour, which is something elibulalayo bafowethu i-identity yebhola lethu njengamanje. Cause angiboni mina ukuthi umuntu why ezoze anikelwe ikhadi bafowethu ukuthi uyajika. Cause phela uma ungajiki kanti yini esiyifunayo bafethu ebholeni, cause thina ebholeni sifuna ukuyibona indoda ihamba ngesilevu phansi bafethu, ijuluka ibe manzi, kuvele ukuthi ya ibhola laseMzansi-ke leli. What do you think of this bafowethu? Commenta lapho ngezansi, ushare nabangani bakho bafethu, ushare nama-link bafethu, abuke ama-video bafethu. We coming up with the content nje serious kakhulu bafethu this year. Ibhola sobe silibheke ngamehlo okhozi.